In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wells Fargo appointment using the app. Whether you're opening a new account, seeking financial advice, or just need to sort out something with your bank, scheduling an appointment can help ensure your visit goes smoothly. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Wells Fargo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from your device's app store. Once you've logged in, you'll be looking at the main dashboard where you can see your account balances and recent activities. Next, look towards the upper or lower corners of the app display for the menu icon. It often appears as three horizontal lines, a common symbol for apps. Tap on that to open up the navigation menu. You'll find a list of options here ranging from account details to service preferences. Now scroll down until you find the help and support section. This part of the app is designed to assist you with various banking needs, so it's a good place to start when you want personalized support or services. Tap on help and support to continue. Within that section, you should see an option to schedule an appointment. Go ahead and tap on that. Scheduling an appointment this way helps you book a time that's convenient for you ahead of your visit, saving you the wait that might occur with walk-in appointments. After selecting schedule appointment, the next step is to pick a location. This allows you to schedule your appointment at a branch that is convenient for you. The app might provide locations based on your current location or let you search for a specific branch. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a location, it's time to choose the type of appointment you need. Whether you're looking for help with loans, checking accounts, or any specific service, selecting the right category ensures that the proper assistance will be available during your visit. After choosing the type, you'll want to pick a date and time. The app will show you available slots, so you can select the one that works best for your schedule. This flexibility is one of the convenient aspects of using the app. As you make your selections, you'll arrive at a review and confirmation screen. Double check your details here to make sure everything is accurate. If all the information looks correct, go ahead and confirm your appointment. Finally, you'll receive an appointment confirmation. This might be shown on the screen and also sent to you via email or text. Depending on your notification settings, keep this confirmation handy as it will have all the details you need for your upcoming visit. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled an appointment with Wells Fargo through their app. Thanks for watching, and I hope your appointment goes smoothly.